Good morning, I'm Emily. This is my dog Charlie. Today we're going to take a 5-minute walk for heart health. Let's go ahead and meet you back here. We'll get started in our gentle walk. Let's go. So glad to have you along. This is just going to be a short and sweet walk today, so 5 minutes. And we're going to focus on bringing our heart rate up in a healthy, safe way. We're starting here. This is our first basic move, just walking in place. Take your time. Slow to warm up the body. Move your body in a healthy way every single day. It's going to be really key for strong, healthy heart. So this is our first move, walking in place. My name's Emily. I'm a yoga teacher, a registered nurse, a wellness professional. I create videos here on YouTube to help you feel your best at any age, any season of life. I love to focus on heart health, but also just preventative health in general. So feeling your best, strengthening your body, your mind, your soul, so that you can live the best life. And that's what we're doing right here. Walk it out. So our next move is going to be a knee lift. Very simple. Try not to overthink things. It's just going to be lift up and lift up. A slight belly tuck here. Keep the spine nice and long. Breathe as you move. The hands can kind of do what they please. If you want to join me, we might reach up as the knee comes up. Yeah, so get the upper body involved as well. We're here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Return to your walk right here. You got it. You make this workout your own as always. What I give you are just basic suggestions. So go at your own pace, your own range of motion, and keep moving. That's really the key. I just want you to keep active and moving, lubricate the joints, increase your heart rate in a healthy way, strengthen that heart muscle. Breathe also. We have a tendency to want to hold our breath when we're doing something challenging. Please breathe naturally. You can always take your talk test. So take a moment to say a 5 to 6 word sentence. If you're too out of breath or too winded, back out of it. Slow things down a little bit. What's the rush, right? Take your time taking care of yourself. These walks are a self-care activity. So when you take care of yourself, that just makes a positive change in this world. You know, the goodness of this practice, you can share with your friends, your family, your community, well beyond your space. So you're making a positive impact in your own life and other lives. So great job. Proud of you. Proud of you for committing some time, taking time for yourself and taking time for your own health. Even if it's a small walk, you're making a big impact in your health. Nice. Next move is a kick. So join me when you're ready. It's a kick and a kick. Maybe reach opposite fingers towards opposite toes. Again, keep the spine long and lean, upright. Try not to hunch over here. Stay tall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Return right here to your walk. So when you walk for your heart health, this helps reduce your blood sugar. It helps manage your blood sugar. Also helps reduce your blood pressure. It helps build endurance and also helps increase your energy levels. There's all kinds of great benefits here. Helps you reduce strain on your heart. So we do elevate the heart rate in a natural way, in a healthy way. And then towards the end of our practice, we'll bring it back down in a healthy way. So regulating, moving that heart rate up and down, that's great for our heart health, strengthening the heart muscle, which we often forget the heart is a muscle, right? I say it's probably the most important muscle in our body. Strong, healthy heart. Breathe. Let's go ahead and take a side step. So next move here, we're gonna step out and bring it back in. Take your time. Your shapes, not mine, so big or small shapes here. You might sink it down a little bit more. Activate those backside muscles. I call them our muscles of independence, and keep them healthy and strong so that we can move more easily throughout our daily lives. Right? Get up and down from a seated position, from a kneeling position on the ground. You got it. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Return right here, walk it out. I'm just gonna step forward, check on my time. Nice job, all right. We're gonna come up on this 5-minute walk here shortly. We got about 30 more seconds to go. You got it. Charlie's cheering us on, in spirit, if nothing else. He gets distracted outside just like his mom. Keep moving, you got it. Hands to the shoulders, reach up, down, out, and back. Go for it. Here we go. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Return to your walk. We're gonna finish it out strong. Keep pumping the arms. We got 10 more seconds. Walk in place. You notice that little bit of exercise can really go a long, long way. Here we are. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Slow it down. High fives. Great job. Slow down your walk. Let's cool down. Take your time. Maybe take a wide stance here. A big breath in. Sweep the arms high. Exhale. Let it go. So important to bring that heart rate down in a healthy way. Inhale, sweep the arms high. Exhale, down. And last time, inhale, sweep your arms. Maybe gaze looks up. Exhale, send the fingertips down by the sides. Give it a shake, a little wiggle here. Join me on my next one here. We're just gonna take a little rotation here. Knocking on heaven's door. Take your time. Beautiful twist for the spine. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slow it down. One more angel breath just to seal this physical practice up. Inhale. Exhale, let it go. And that was your 5-minute heart health walk. Thanks so much for joining me. It's a pleasure to be your guide today. If you would like to learn a little bit more about the work I do and who I do it for, visit my website, emilydaugherty.com. Over there, you can grab your Gentle Stride Guide. It's a beginner's guide to home walking. And then you can also connect with me a little bit further. When you download your guide, you'll automatically be placed on my email list. I send out a weekly heart healthy email, so you can get on that list when you get your guide. All right, please like, share, subscribe, all the YouTube things. That just helps me connect with people all over the world, which has been a true honor in starting this YouTube channel. So thanks so much. Reach out with any questions. I'm here to support you. I'll see you again in a few days. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.